everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to prepare a very quick yet very delicious recipe, lemon pepper chicken. It is perfect for bachelors and also people with a busy schedule. It is very spicy, very quick recipe, and the lemon helps in reducing the body heat also. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the notifications. This recipe we need to marinate the chicken first. For this I am taking 750 grams of chicken and finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of it. Freshly ground black pepper, half tablespoon. Salt to taste and 1 full lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix it well and close the lid and refrigerate for at least 1 hour so chicken absorbs all the flavor. To make the lemon pepper chicken, in a pan take 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. Once the mustard seeds splatter, add 1 onion, 1/8 teaspoon of cloves powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 10 black peppercorn and half tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili crushed. Cook until the raw smell goes away. Now add the marinated chicken. Mix it well. Add half tablespoon turmeric powder. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes in high flame. Now add half teaspoon of pepper powder. Add salt if needed. Mix it well and cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. Now I am making a cornstarch slurry. I am taking 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch, mixing with half cup of water and adding the paste, the slurry, which helps in thickening the sauce. Chicken has almost cooked. Cook in low flame for 2-3 minutes until the sauce thickens. Turn off the flame and garnish with coriander leaves. Add coriander leaves generously as it gives a nice taste to the curry. The lemon in this chicken helps in reducing the heat, body heat produced by chicken, and it is a great recipe. It is really tasty, very spicy, yummy recipe. Goes really well as appetizer or also with chapati and rice. So please do this. Try this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And everyone, be happy, be healthy and be safe and take care.